Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Gabby and I'm very excited because today my first vlog. I'm gonna make a quick ride with my bike, and today is gonna be a special ride because I'm going to test my new GoPro. Actually, this is my first GoPro ever and I'm so excited because I always wanted a GoPro. This is GoPro Hero 8 and I think I'm gonna make a very amazing footage with my bike. I love to go on a ride, so it's gonna be very fun. It's a very sunny day, it's very hot too, but I think it's a very good time of a day to go for a ride. It's 3 p.m. and here in my city is like hot as hell. But I think it's gonna be very fun anyway. So let's go for a ride with this new baby, and think it's gonna be such an amazing ride. Let's go, guys.
You can't tell me the deck is stacked. You can't whisper behind my back. You can't show me how the odds are up against me all day long. But I've been through the fire and come out alive, and there's no more fear in my eyes. Well, now I'm rising, and you can't bring me down. You can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. My feet have come too far for you to tie 'em to the ground. You can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. Set my sights on where I'm going at and turn it back around. You can't stop me now. You can't stop me. All the blood, sweat, and sacrifice. Oh, I paid the dearest price. There no shortcuts here for destiny. I'll take the long way proud. Oh, I know what I've earned, and now it's my turn. Lighting the fuse, let it burn. My time is rising, and you can't bring me down. Can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. My feet have come too far for you to tie 'em to the ground. Can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. Set my sights on where I'm going at and turn it back around. Can't stop me. Can't stop me now. No, you can't stop me now. This is the calm before the storm. You know what's coming, so be warned. You can't stop me now. You can't stop me now. Though my feet have come too far for you to tie 'em to the ground. Can't stop me now. You can't stop me now. Set my sights on where I'm going now and turn it back around. Can't stop me. Oh yeah, you can't stop me now. No, you can't stop me. You can't stop, no, you can't stop me. No, you can't stop me now.
So the coffee shop that I came to know was closed. And but it was a good ride anyway. We stopped in this very beautiful place to take a few pictures and make a few footage, and that's it. We're coming home. That's even better because I'm with a terrible headache today, and the heat doesn't help. So, but this time I will come back home in my husband's bike I will come back in the iron. Hi everyone, just arriving home. It's almost 5 p.m., so it's almost an hour of a ride. It was very good. You can see by the GoPro footage that Brazilian people have no education at all in traffic. Is always a headache. It's always bothers. But even that, it was a very good ride. So I hope you enjoyed the vlog. And until the next one.